So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to solve this amazing Diophantine equation, right? Here AC plus BD equal to 6, this is the question, and AD plus BC equal to 7, right? And we have to obviously find the value of ABCD, all the four terms, right? This is going to be a very interesting question, so pay attention throughout the video. And in this video, if you have any query, any question, then you can also comment me in the comment box, right? So pay attention throughout the video. AC plus BD equal to 6 and AD plus BC equal to 7. So first of all, how do we solve this, right? How do we proceed? What is the first step that we will take in the solution of this question? Now let's see. Here I have AC plus BD and AD plus BC. In first term I have A common and in second term I have B common, right? So first of all, if I rewrite this whole term AC plus BD equal to 6 and AD plus BC equal to 7. Now, if I add both of these equations with each other, then what will happen? AC plus AD plus BD plus BC, which is equal to 6 plus 7, which is equal to 13, right? Now, from this part, if I take A common, then what will remain inside? C plus D. And from this part, if I take B common, then what is remain? C plus D, which is equal to 13, right? So I can write it, if I take C plus D common from this whole equation, what will happen? What will remain? A plus B into C plus D, which is equal to 13, right? Now I have to find two numbers of which multiplication is 13, and I remember you one thing, that 13 is a prime number. So there will be only two numbers, which means 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. Same way I can take minus 13 into minus 1 and minus 1 into minus 13. So for example, first of all, if I write that A plus B equal to 13, let's say, and C plus D equal to 1. Now what will be the second case? In second case, I can write A plus B equal to 1 and C plus D equal to 13. Now I can also write negative number also, right? For example, if I write A plus B equal to minus 1, C plus D equal to minus 13. Now this is not possible. Why? Because these all are positive integers, right? If I have mentioned here, I can mention that value will be all positive integer. And if I add two positive integer, value can't be minus 1, right? Because addition of two positive integer will be positive integer. It can't be negative, right? So this value I will not take. A plus B equal to minus 1, A plus B equal to minus 13, and C plus D equal to minus 1, right? This both the cases is not possible, right? So which cases are possible? Only two. A plus B equal to 13, C plus D equal to 1, and A plus B equal to 1 and C plus D equal to 13, right? So I will only solve this case in this question, right? This will be your homework, right? You have to solve this case. I will solve this case in this video. So let's see. Here I have A plus B equal to 13 and C plus D equal to 1, right? So from this part I can write A equal to 13 minus B, and from this case I can write C equal to 1 minus D, right? Now what we will do, I will rewrite this equation. AC plus BD equal to 6. Now I can put value of A and C, 13 minus B and 1 minus D here. That 13 minus B into 1 minus D plus BD equal to 6, right? So if I multiply both of this bracket, 13 minus 13D minus B plus BD equal to 6, right? So I can rewrite this 6 2BD minus B minus 13D equal to minus 7, right? Because this 13 will come here, so 6 minus 13 will be minus 7. Now from this part, if I take B common, right, what will remain? 2D minus 1. Now here also I want 2D minus 1, right? So I have to multiply with 13 divided by 2, right? 13 divided by 2 into 2D will become 13D, and 13 divided by 2 minus 1, which means plus 13 by 2. I will add here plus 13 by 2, and so that was I have also add here 13 divided by 2, right? Both the side I have to add 13 divided by 2. I have added here, right? So I have to add this side also 13 divided by 2. Now I can take easily common 2D minus 1. What will remain? B minus 13 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Now for making this equation simple, I will multiply by 2 both the side, right? So if I multiply by 2 with this bracket, then what will remain? 2d minus 1 as it is. Here 2b minus 13, and here only minus 1, right? So now what are the cases which are possible, or I can say which are two numbers of which multiplication is minus 1? So there are only two cases, right? 1 and minus 1, same way minus 1 and 1, right? I will have to just interchange the value, right? So first of all, here if I take first of all 2d minus 1 equal to 1 and 2b minus 13 equal to minus 1. So what will the value of d? 1. From this part, b equal to 6, right? So first of all, now I got the value of d and b. So now I can directly put the value of a plus b equal to 13. Yes, here I have. So if I put b equal to 6, I will get a equal to 7. Same way, c plus d equal to 1, d equal to 1, so c equal to 0, right? This is the first case I have taken here, that 2d minus 1 equal to 1. Now I will take 2d minus 1 equal to minus 1. Same way 2b minus 13 equal to 1, right? So in this case, I will get d equal to 0, right? 0, and b equal to 7, right? Same I will use this equation, a plus b equal to 13. So I will get a equal to 6 and c plus d equal to 1, which means I will get c equal to 1 because d equal to 0 here, right? So I will get two values for ABCD, right? Because I have taken only one case. This is for your homework, right? So if I write whole answers, first answer will be 7601, 76710, right? And this will be two more answer we will get, right? This is the value of A, B, C, D or four numbers, right? So I hope you got it. As I said, this is very interesting and very conceptual question. I hope you got it. And as I said, if you have any query, doubt, then you can comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.